How can we prove or convince ourselves? Is there any God or God exist? Let us talk with few examples for the better understanding of Allah the Almighty Creator, and if He exists or not, we have to take this topic as the most important subject in our life. We have to think about this subject deeply to understand the Almighty Creator, more than other subjects. We should consider the importance of the topic seriously, otherwise, we will never be able to accomplish the understanding of this topic, the most important question about the knowledge of Almighty Creator, in our lifetime. First, look ourselves. We have two personalities in our body. One is our structure, and other is our soul. Once we enter into the sleeping condition, our soul departs from the body and our memories also get away from our brain, and when we wake up, come in senses for daily routines, due to the return of our memories into the brain. Think about it, how our memories come back, and we restart the daily activities with confidence. We never realize during the sleep, our mind goes completely blank, and after awakening, we engage in the same activity before sleeping we were doing, and our mind starts working freshly. Just think how our memories connect with the regular routines of life. Everyone has different tasks, goals, and according to their abilities, and some are highly educated, some are less, and some have none. Some are smart, some are not. Everyone's smartness, goals and tasks are different. When someone wakes up, all the memories come back according to the person's education and his ability. The way someone stores the memories in his mind, whether he works in a farm field or the White House. Don't forget, the brain is the piece of flesh in our body based on flesh, blood, bone, water, or air. Many smart intellectual people, regardless of age, education, or status, such as doctors, lawyers, judges, people in business or children, sometimes they also collapse, forget everything, their bank accounts, even their children and other family members. Due to some reasons, some people say, because the failure of the memory cells, the person collapsed. Don't forget, and it can happen to anybody anytime. I remind you again, we should not forget our body based on flesh, bones, blood, water and air. Our brain, heart, and every part of the body, even every single cell in our body, is controlled by Allah the Almighty Creator. We have no power to earn any success or save ourselves from any calamity. Total control in the hands of Allah the Almighty Creator, and He has authority as well, over the humans or creatures or any existence in the universe or world. Everything belongs to Allah the Almighty Creator. As we know, there are zillions of unseen signals work in the brain, precisely and accurately, whether we are sleeping or not. All the invisible functions inside the body are managed only by Almighty Creator. There is not only you and me, but there are also billions of humans and zillions of creatures led by Allah, the Almighty Creator. Sometimes people dream about ancient memories or sometimes current affairs, or they dream about pleasant future, bad and scary dreams, and sometimes they get guidance in their dream regarding what is right for them or what is not. How these dreams happen, only Almighty Creator knows. And no one can claim, today, I will dream about somebody, something or someplace until Almighty Creator wants to show. The dream is always surprise for everyone in his life. When the person sleeps, he is not in senses. We all know, if somebody sleeps restlessly, he hardly sees the dreams. When person dreams, most of the time he cannot realize, it's a dream, or it's happening. Sometimes, we remember our dreams and sometimes, we don't remember at all. When a person goes to sleep, to get excellent and sound sleep, he has to forget all his tasks and routines, work about his life, family, all the worries, responsibilities, businesses, money problems, etc. When we wake up, all the memories come back according to our experience and all the tasks and goals, and all the memories come back precisely and accurately to run our daily life routines. I remind you again, don't forget our body based on flesh, bones, blood and water, not only humans, every creature's body based on the same system and function, but they have different tasks and goals. We have to be thankful to Allah the Almighty Creator for one of this blessing. God forbid if we lose our sleep. Sometimes even sleeping pills cannot work. If somebody loses the memories and he collapses or goes into a coma, then his friend and family realize the priceless value and ready to give any amount of money to get his memory back in a reasonable condition. The functions of the body managed by Allah Almighty Creator, of all the humans and creatures. As I told before, if someone wants to give any amount of money and pay to get memory work in normal conditions is not possible, except Allah the Almighty Creator provides the cure. That's why we all have to connect directly to Allah the Almighty Creator, not through any pious man or statues, idols or any objects. Sometimes healthy person forgets something, and he tries to remember at that time but he fails to remember. Only Allah is the one who helps him to remember. No matter he is genius and brilliant, even all his memory cells were working correctly in others' activities, we should think why at that time he couldn't remember. This proves we have limitations, and it means someone has full controls over our brain and memories, and all others parts of our body, our fortunes. What Allah the Almighty Creator wants to give, He can give regardless of smartness, status, or money we have. As we know, pen, paper, and computers and memory devices, Allah the Almighty Creator gives the wisdom to humans to protect their knowledge and research. Regardless of education or smartness, the human cannot entirely depend on his memories. They are out of control even by any intellectual, and naturally, humans or any creature's brain and body fully controlled by Allah the Almighty Creator. If you think about any small or big creatures, such as ant or elephant, birds and fishes, etc., they also need to have a sleep to maintain their life. They all have to follow the living system for their survival, which is designed by Allah the Almighty Creator. Let me share with you a few examples. Just think about one tiny creature, spider, how they build their web precisely, the shape of the octagon, with the saliva, no raw material from anywhere as. And the only female has this ability to create the network, and her male does not help her to build the web. But male come into the web only for his death, and his dead body is the food for the survival of the female spider. As we know, the spider web has the unique design and fragile, even a child can break with one finger, and strong that much, it can survive in strong winds. No human can make it, or any designer, architecture or builder. These are a few details, and they are much more to learn about any creature to get a better understanding of Allah the Almighty Creator. Let's talk about honeybees, how they know to follow the commands of their queen bee, and Allah, the Almighty Creator, create and decides who will be the queen. There is a fantastic detail to discover about honeybees. If you look at the honeycomb, the living place of the bees, it's exact and beautifully made with a wax, just like made by machine, mold faultlessly, and we all know the value of the pure honey and the lots of benefits. And other examples of small, very tiny creature, ant. And they have their details about their unique lifestyle, and they have their colonies with their families. Allah the Almighty created ant, and it's a very different creature from all other creatures. They can lift the weight more than their weight, just like a crane. Squirrel prepared themselves for winter survival. Many animals like bears, they sleep in winter. Every creature has its system for its survival set by Allah the Almighty Creator. As we know, there are zillions of creatures on the land or underwater sea, and every being has its details and identity to prove and answer. Is there any God or God exists?
For more informative videos, please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for all upcoming videos notification. Like this video and share with your family and friends.
I suggest you to read Quran in your language for more understanding of Almighty God Allah.
IsThereAnyGod.com